First Base Review, Features, Pros, Cons, and Walkthrough. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys everything you need to know about First Base. So what exactly is this platform and what are all of the different features that you can utilize to start your business? Now, firstbase.io has become a all-inclusive tool. They have multiple different tools that are integrated. So you have things like a start product, a agent for all-in-one compliance, a mailroom for mailboxes and email marketing, Loop for growth tools, accounting for finances, and sales tax. So this is going to provide you modular tools. And you also have First Base One. So you have all of the power of First Base in one package. So you can purchase one subscription that allows you to use all of these tools. So you have AI agents, you have mailroom, accounting, and tax filing. Now, how can you get started with First Base? Simply head on over into firstbase.io and you can click on the link down below to get started and get the best possible deals on First Base. Now, when you click on the link provided in the description box down below, you're going to be setting up your company. So we have an LLC and we're just going to continue on with that. Once you do that, you're going to be proceeding with the state and then you're going to review and pay. So you're just going to proceed with the payment. And then after that, you're just going to enter all of your details and you can sign up with Google or you can also sign up with your email address. That is totally up to you and how you want to proceed with your sign up. And I'm just going to be continuing on over here. And once you have proceeded with all of your basic steps, you're going to proceed with adding your review information and your payment. So you will see you have two different currency options and you will see your total price. So you guys can see that you do have to pay initially, and for registration of any LLC, you do have to pay. Now we're going to go on and we're just going to go back and I'm going to show you guys the basics of First Base, and you can proceed with payment later on as well. But this is what your dashboard is going to look like once you've completed your sign up. So right now, this is our basic dashboard. Then on the left, you have your company details, and then you also have documents. And within that, this includes your company name, logos, the state that your company is going to be registered in, and the industry. You can also link your website, which is recommended, and you can also add the LinkedIn of your company. When you're starting a website in the United States, it's really important that you add all bits of information to have authenticity in your business. Now, below that, you also have the fiscal year end and the responsible party, the owner, any parent companies, and the incorporator's details. Below that, you have your company documentation. So your documents will be available over here. Then below that, you have your basic members section. So you can add all of your members here. Simply click on invite on the top right and you're going to add their emails. Select the access that you want to give them and then select the workspace that they should have access to. So if you want them to have access to billing management and if you want them to have workspace editor access, then you're going to specify which particular product they should be having access to. So when you're using First Base One, which is their all-inclusive tool, you can choose with finance administration, head of compliance, mailroom manager, and tax lead and sales tax expert. So if you want, you don't have to add them to everything. So if someone is, let's say, a part of your sales team, they do not need to have access to finance information. So you would only be selecting sales tax expert over here and then proceeding with sending out your invites. Now, below that, you have all of the inclusive products when it comes to First Base. So you have your sales tax on the left, and you can connect Stripe for easy management. Below that, you have your agent, which is going to be a huge pro because First Base agent has to be one of the most easy tools to use and set up. And with your agent, you do need to first provide your business address. And once your business address has been provided, then you can proceed with using and setting up First Base agent. Then below that, you have your mailroom, and this is going to allow you to manage all of your emails and your digital mailbox. Then you have your tax filing and your accounting. So in your tax filing and accounting, it's pretty similar, but tax filing is going to look different because you have registered an LLC and your fees are going to be here, your taxes are going to be here, but things like your basic payroll and payments are going to be under accounting. Then you have your banking solutions and equity. This includes partner solutions. So you can apply and you have Payoneer as your banking solution partner. And you also have equity solutions provided. Now, what is the pricing of all of this and what are the pros and cons? Now, let's take a look at pricing and I'll tell you guys the pros and cons that you're going to find. Now, first off, you have the Start, which is the Start plan, which allows you to get started with a one-time fee. And there is a limitation to their Start plan because when you're incorporating your LLC or C Corp, you are going to need a registered agent service before incorporation. So do keep that in mind. Then you have First Base One. Currently, this is provided at a discount when you click on the link provided in the description box down below. And you will see that it is billed at $199. Now, I prefer using this plan because it includes all the services that I need. This includes a mailroom, agent autopilot, tax filing, and accounting. And you guys can see you would be saving over 45% with First Base One. So this is my recommended plan. This also makes it easy for you to file your taxes. Now, when you have standalone modular services, you can also purchase them separately. So if you do not need mailroom, you do not need autopilot, you're only looking for accounting and tax filing solutions. In that respect, First Base does a really amazing job providing modular integrated solutions. So you can only choose to purchase accounting, or you can only choose to purchase the mailroom function. And this will really depend on your usage. So you guys can see when it comes to accounting, they have AI-powered and human-managed bookkeeping with direct bookkeeper live chat, industry-specific transaction categorization, continuous automatic book reconciliation, seamless integration with financial sources, crucial financial insights, dedicated accounting dashboards, and easy financial data exports. You also have comprehensive tax filings as an add-on. So depending on your expected monthly expense, let's say our business expense is going to be somewhere between $10,000. So the pricing that I would be paying would be around $299 monthly. And as your expenses increase, you are going to be paying a higher price. Below that, you have mailroom. Mailroom has a one price only, but a US address is required for mailroom. And this is going to be a physical address and a virtual mailbox. So one physical business address in the state of your choice is provided. And you only have to pay $35, which is $315 annually, where you would be saving 25%. This is a really amazing feature for those that are looking to establish their business in the United States. Then you have Agent, which has a $299 fee annually per state. Then you have your tax filing fee, which is around $1,799, and their sales tax has custom pricing. So depending on the features that you're going to be requiring and the amount of work that truly is going to be incorporated, you're going to be paying a different price. So First Base is an amazing tool for those that are looking for an integrated solution and even a modular one. All of the apps working together perform fantastically, and personally, I prefer using all of the apps together. But if you're someone that only needs help in one specific aspect of their US established business, then First Base also offers their product separately for those that need it. Now, when it comes to cons, sometimes the pricing can seem pretty steep, but when it comes to just the value that you're getting, the pricing is actually not that high. If you pay for all of these tools separately, then you would be paying over thousands of dollars, and First Base gives you all of this for only $199. So it's pretty amazing that it's able to do that. And if you want to get started with First Base, make sure to click on the link provided in the description box down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.